When Dr. Hans Merensky, geologist and mining engineer, bought this land in 1929, it was an eroded, ruined landscape, nothing like Westfalia today. Merensky's vision in the establishment of the trust that administers Westfalia agribusiness was to promote and assist in the development of the resources of South Africa and neighboring territories, and to promote the health and welfare of the inhabitants. All this through research, experimentation, and the application of scientific knowledge.
He wanted to plow back into this country, and he wanted to develop this farm to give back to South Africa. But in this process, also develop the people of the country.
Merensky healed the damaged land. He planted trees, which saved the soil and which in turn saved the vital water.
That was his mission, and that's what drives us still today.
From Hans Merensky's vision has grown one of Southern Africa's most respected farming enterprises, Westfalia Agribusiness. Today we specialize in the production and processing of the world's two most highly sought-after tropical fruits, the avocado and the mango. Our mango season is at its height in the Northern Hemisphere's winter, our southern tropical summer. We are the single biggest mango grower in Africa, on several low-veld farms where the soil is good and the nearby escarpment gathers the rain. We grow a wide variety of cultivars, but our main export varieties include Tommy Atkins, Keat, and Kent. Our harvest teams are highly experienced. Their harvesting techniques are the result of years of engagement with the concept of best practice.
That's one real transport for Mesa.
In packing and processing, we prepare produce for selected customers situated worldwide. The process is one single sustained engagement with quality control. The selection process is rigorous, at regular points throughout the pack line. In everything we do, experience and good judgment has the final say, in combination with the latest in technology. We pack to clients' requirements. Only the human hand is good enough to pack our fruit. There is no compromise here. The accent is on care. Finally, the pallets are chilled to a recommended temperature, depending on the maturity of the fruit, which will be sustained in an unbroken cold chain in the journey to the marketplace. Besides fresh fruit, we process dried mangoes. From superior quality fruit, some 300 tons a season. The secret of our quality lies in meticulous preparation, followed by our own exact high-tech drying regimen. Westfalia's product has become the South African benchmark in dried mangoes. Some of the fruit finds its way to our juicing unit, and fresh mango juice is one of our fully organic products. Our avocados grow in both the northeastern lowveld and in KwaZulu-Natal. Different climatic conditions in these diverse areas give us an extended harvest season from March to October. We grow a variety of cultivars, mainly Fuerte, Hass, and Ryan. As with mangoes, the selection of top quality fruit is the key to the maintenance of the highest export standards. Avocados require a gentle touch, and our packers have, through training and experience, a special skill.
Quality is a management philosophy that we take that approach right from the orchard until to the dispatch. Bottom line is that quality is a customer demand, and us as a supplier, we have to meet that demand.
Not all our avocados are prepared as fresh fruit. In this plant we process guacamole, avocado puree, more than 1,000 tons per annum. Popular pack sizes vary, from special supermarket packs to various catering sizes. And in our oil extraction plant, we harvest the rich avocado oil, mainly for use in the cosmetic industry, but most recently also a food-grade oil. We currently produce in excess of 320,000 litres a year, with an envisaged growth. Good management is the key to best farming practice.
Okay, Duncan, what size should I pick?
Water management in this part of Africa is one of the pillars of our process. The many dams feed through powerful pumping stations into well-planned micro-spray irrigation networks. The accent is on organic production.
In the past few years, organics have really started to expand.
Westfalia is the biggest organic grower in the Southern Hemisphere. Orchard management relies on an integrated production approach. We have our own insectariums, where research into pests and their natural enemies results in completely natural, totally effective, non-chemical controls. Research and applied knowledge continually improves the product integrity of our fruit to a level of quality that excels in the world market.
I want them all sturdily staked.
Our own laboratories and nurseries build on past experience, creating new knowledge for a new time.
It's the whole package, it's everything. It's the outcome in the end. It's continuous improvement that we're striving for, and that we're investing substantial amounts of money in, and the trustees keep a watchful eye that we actually do so.
Nothing organic on Westfalia is wasted. All our organic refuse is recycled in our own compost units. Our high standards of farming practice have resulted in a list of international accreditations of which we are proud, which we feel reflects our desire to do things the right way.
In our quest for quality fruit, we've been very progressive in looking for third-party certification, and that has resulted in Westfalia becoming the first farm in Africa to get Europe GAP, the first avocado farm in the world to get Tesco Nature's Choice, and the first farm outside the UK to get LEAF, which is Linking Environment and Farming.
From a management point of view, we want traceability, we want controls to make sure we give our customer the best product.
Westfalia supplies customers with prime quality fruit right throughout the year. The key to a 12-month season lies in well-established international partnerships.
Partners with the same values, the same disciplines to supply our customers in Europe 12 months of the year.
People are everything. One of Westfalia's priorities is to create employment.
The Hans Marinsky Foundation mission statement emphasizes the importance of the role that people play within our organization. And in February 2004, the Fair Trade Labelling Organization visited, audited and certified Westfalia as a company that practiced good human resources management practices. In order to be able to compete with the best, we've realized that we need to not only employ the best people, but we need to also continuously focus on their training and development.
You've all been given a student email address for the training today. But when you go back to your office, you will have your own email address. Which will be
in all our operations, we are broadening the knowledge base of all our staff, in orchard and nursery, in process and packing, and in administration.
Means you must click.
Africa has never been an easy environment from a health point of view. Through our clinics, we place a special emphasis on primary health support. Life is good here, in the villages where we live, and in the schools where we educate our children.
On the 27th of April 1994, that's when democracy started in South Africa.
In everything we do at Westfalia, we are conscious of all our responsibilities, to nature, to our own people, and to our customers throughout the world. It is simply not enough to produce beautiful fruit and valuable products. And so we work within the natural world and our wider society to make sure that our success belongs not only to everyone around us in this moment, but that it may belong in abundance to those who come after us.